In this video we have a RC car demolition derby. Will they survive? I've got a feeling mine's going to go over the top of yours.
I can't donut.
Already in the pit. Oh! Oh! Who's going to be the last one left running? Oh!
I think he's going to do it. If you're going to take my tower off, the front tower. Yeah, you just killed yourself.
Oh!
I don't know, sit there. You just carry on.
Is it dead?
Die, bitch.
Oh, Lish! I'm using it!
Abuse! Abuse!
What happened?
Oh! Oh! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! You could have had a good shot there.
Oh.
I got ya.
Gotta have a spring hit.
My tyre coming off.
Yeah, sounds like it.
Oh!
Alright, get over.
Ah!
The hand of God. One foot of God.
Yeah.
1 foot of sod, one of them.
Hey, dude, try and kill Dad.
I'm gonna kill myself. I'm killing everyone. Get him! No humans allowed! Wait a sec. Why is there a screw in this?
I actually could do it one-handed. That's it, kill Dad.
On, please!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh, my leg! Oh! Get him! Hang on, got ya.
What's going on, dude?
No.
Oh no, he's been open for a shot. He's open for a shot. He's open for a shot. The RB buggy giving it some. The amp taking itself out. Oh! Oh, that would have been a head on. What? What? Hey!
No! This stone hit me!
Ow!
Is no one going to flip me back over? Dad, you flip me back over?
Missed! Ah! In the face!
Even them riot shields.
Oh, it's getting plummeted!
Ah! Oh, there's the light bulb. It's the light bulb.
Oh, it's getting plummeted.
It's the weight of God.
Oh, the poor slash.
Yes! Ah, my eyes.
Oh! What happened?
My hand.
Sorry for me out.
Fingers are in it. No, I ain't touching that again.
I didn't mean to do that.
Well, I didn't mean to.
Finish it! Oh! It seems like to me that both of you are picking on the red one. Oh no. Oh.
Yes! No! Dad!
Oh no.
Oh, John!
Football. Oh, I missed it.
Yes!
Oh no, here comes another one. Oh my god. Oh!
Yeah, you blow your tyres off.
Die, boy!
Oh!
Ow! He just flicked it off. I'm angry. This is scary. Aiden's the one that's safe. None of us are safe. Just say,
Oh, that sounded bad.
ow. Good feeling this morning. Kev. Oh no, you ain't working. No,
Missed.
Kev. It's not working.
Has it died?
Get a practice on it.
Oh, it's died.
It's turning.
It's died.
Wait, is it dead or is it just... It's turning.
We have to put a-
battery.
I'll push it back.
I think it needs a new battery in it or cooling down. Oh, it's
Yes, it's going again.
I was going to push it back.
You jump started it.
Yeah. Oh, shit, the battery's run out.
Run away. Can we put a
Alright.
battery in it?
New battery, yeah, we can put a new battery in it.
It's turning and that. It's just a battery.
Yeah, alright, let's put a new battery in.
Massive.
That's for TRX4. Is there any damage after all that? What do you reckon?
Yeah, there is. Yeah, tyres.
That's going to turn cool down for a minute.
Oh, that lipo's gone puffy. Oh, Jesus, that lipo's warm.
I'm not surprised. Well, it did speed runs and
Now it's...
then it was getting it. They do some Flurian 4S's that size.
Do they?
Yes.
Oh.
I ordered 2 already.
Oh, we have to see how good they go.
4s. 25 quid.
Oh, feel how hot that is.
That might actually be alright once it's cooled down.
Maybe.
Sometimes they go back down.
Let's feel it.
I don't put it near your face, it might just suddenly pop.
And then cook your face. Off.
Oh.
Yeah, it's warm.
Oh, motor's hot as well. I think it's all got to cool down.
Have a break for a bit, otherwise we're going to
He's dangerous with that thing. So damage-wise, a blown out tyre, the body shells, well, that's had it anyway. So let's just get a thumbnail picture. Burnout on Mitchell time. Was it scary?
Not really. Is that what the white marks are? Also...
Oh, dude, with eye contact as well. Look at Mitchell being a gentleman.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, Steve's got his Savage out with another new diff in it. Skate park time. No. No.